Well, welcome into the cooking corner here in the Air Comfort Solutions kitchen. Natalie Mikles from the Made in Oklahoma Coalition is here to make a strawberry lemonade poke cake. Two of my favorite flavors.
Oh, good.
That sounds awesome.
I know, it's perfect for summer. Strawberry, lemon, all together, really good. And that tangy kind of lemonade is great. And it all comes from a really neat jam that's made here in Oklahoma from Southern Root Sisters.
What's the flavor?
It's strawberry lemonade.
Oh.
Yeah, I know, it's great. So we're going to start with the cake. And we're using a cake mix, which makes it super easy. You don't have to have any baking skills whatsoever to make this.
My kind of baking.
Yes. Actually, you know, this would be a good one even for kids who are home for the summer. If they want to, you know, help out in the kitchen, this is an easy one. So I'm starting with a lemon cake mix. So one cake mix. I'm going to use eggs from Brahms. They're a great Made in Oklahoma company. 3 eggs. I don't know if can you do an egg with one hand? Are you a one-hand egg cracker?
I eat a ton of eggs, but I do 2 hands.
Yeah, me too.
Eggs every day.
Do you? That's good. Yeah. That's great. But yeah, I'm not good with the one hand. A half a cup of vegetable or canola oil. If you'd like, you could also substitute Greek yogurt there. A half a cup of Greek yogurt. And then I'm going to use some milk from Brahms. And I'm going to use their whole milk. I think it's really nice for this cake. And we're going to do 1 cup, so that's about a half. And then another half.
Simple. Loving this.
Very simple. Now at home, I would use a mixer here, but I'm just going to stir this by hand. But if you're using a mixer, you're going to really mix this well. So probably about 3 minutes on medium speed. So we're going to get that combined. Once this is combined, you're going to put this into a 9 by 13 inch cake pan, or you could use whatever you like. You could even make these into cupcakes, which would be really delicious. And you're going to bake that at 350 degrees in a rectangle cake pan for probably about 25 to 30 minutes, and just watch it there. So here's our batter, all good, and you put that into your pan.
I love the lemon smell.
I know, isn't it nice? I
refreshing.
know, it really truly is. And so that's our batter. Now, once that cake has come out of the oven, while it is warm, we're going to want to poke holes in it, which is where the poke cake idea comes from. And I have a fork there.
Is that where I come in?
Yeah, that'd be great. So just everywhere. Yeah, as many holes as you can. Because what we're going to do is we're going to make a little, we're going to take the jam with a little bit of hot water, and we're going to put that into the cake. And then that will seep down in while it's warm.
Oh, this is awesome.
Yeah, isn't it great? So this is the Southern Root Sisters strawberry jam, and you can find this a lot of places in Tulsa, and it's a really delicious jam. They have lots of flavors. I love this one. It's a new one. And then we're going to add some water, and I would add maybe 1 to 3 tablespoons, and that's just to get that jam kind of broken up a little bit.
A little more liquid?
Exactly, yes. So, and you did a great job with the holes.
Yeah, I don't know if I'd call it great, but
it's good.
Not bad.
It's good. The nice thing with this cake, too, you can see it's kind of sunken down there. I didn't bake it perfectly, but it doesn't matter because it's going to get covered up with this jam. It's going to get covered with
the imperfections.
Yes. So we'll put our strawberries on top, and then we're going to add the jam on top of that. And then once this has set for about an hour, then we're going to add whipped cream on top of that. And that's our cake.
What a perfect combination.
Yeah, really.
It's hot out. It's a great summer dessert.
Yes.
The barbecue or the Sunday dinners.
Yes, it's perfect for all of those things. Yeah, and then the whipped cream on top. And you've got a really nice, very, very easy summertime cake. Strawberry lemonade cake.
Love it. Well, Natalie, thank you so much. I appreciate your time out here today.
Yes.
So easy, even I can make it.
Yes,
thank you so much. Well, you can check out many more recipes just like this one. Just go to our website at newson6.com/recipes. We'll be back after the break.